Company for you. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. 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 Company for you, lover. She's an African lover from Australia. Black magic has taken over me, lover. She's an African lover from Australia. A black magic has taken over me, lover. She renders no ordinary love. That's why I yearn for her more and more. I can't have enough of her African love. The black magic love, you can call it international love, yeah. Cause it's worldwide roaming in every kind of city. Boy, call me this honey, let me know this lady. Fantastically, showing on the face, facial expression delightful and hey. Long be dating gay, I overcome this chain of bondage. Oh Lord, I break, still loving this chick. In chains and grace, goodies and faith, religion and AIDS, morality and grace. I wanna embrace it, hold her tighter, make her my goddess, wife, nana nighter. She's enlightened, delighted to be black and proud on the motherland. She loves not once, not two, twice, not three, thousands, not million. She's overwhelming, she got a black blood, the African sense, the African fever. Love is a teaser, the leader, inculcator with the culture, indigenous with them. My work is over, it's over, all it's over now. Lover, she's an African lover from Australia. Black magic has taken over me, lover. She's an African lover from Australia. A black magic has taken over. Yeah, yeah, yeah.